Practice paper 1, section A. Subject chemistry. Question 1. Which one of the following processes involve chemical reaction? First is storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder. Second, liquefaction of air. Third, keeping petrol in a china dish in the open. Fourth, heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. Correct answer is option D, heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. कॉपर वायर को जब हीट करेंगे in the presence of air at high temperature, then copper reacts with oxygen of the air to form copper oxide, and this is the balanced equation. So this is a chemical change because a new substance is formed. This is a chemical reaction. A new substance is formed which has different properties than the substance from which it is formed. और ऑप्शन ए बी सी में जो भी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, ए इज अ फिजिकल चेंज, बी इज ऑल्सो अ फिजिकल चेंज, एंड सी हियर in option C, keeping petrol in a china dish in the open, evaporation is taking place. So it is not a chemical change. Next question is, the following reaction is an example of. Reaction क्या है? Ammonia plus oxygen forming NO plus H2O. Now this reaction, as it can be seen, nitrogen is losing hydrogen and combining with oxygen to form nitric oxide. So nitrogen gains oxygen, loses hydrogen. So nitrogen is getting oxidized. On the other hand, here in oxygen, there are 2 atoms of oxygen in case of reactant, whereas in the product, oxygen combines with hydrogen to give water. So here oxygen is getting reduced. So this is a redox reaction, and since oxygen is displacing hydrogen from ammonia, this is also a displacement reaction. So option 1 and 3 are correct option. यहाँ पे correct option होगा B. This will be option 1 and 3. Then question number 2. In an aqueous solution A, phenolphthalein solution color is pink. So in solution A, phenolphthalein gives pink color, means solution A is basic in nature. On addition of an aqueous solution B to A, the pink color disappears. What does it mean? It means that B is acidic in nature. Solution B is acidic in nature. The following statement is true for solution A and B. A is strongly basic and B is weak base. B, A is strongly acidic and B is a weak acid. C, A has pH greater than 7 and B has pH less than 7. D, A has pH less than 7 and B has pH greater than 7. Now the correct option is A is basic, means solution of A has pH greater than 7. B is acidic, means solution of B has pH less than 7. So A has pH greater than 7, B has pH less than 7. So B is acidic, A is basic. When solution of B is added to A, solution becomes acidic and the pink color of phenolphthalein disappears. Which of the following metals exists in their native state in nature? The metals which will be least reactive or inert metals which do not react at all will exist in their native state in nature. So correct option will be, now options given are, option 1 is copper, 2 is gold, 3 is zinc, 4 is silver. Correct option is gold and silver. So option 2 and 4 are correct options. So here option C is correct. Or Sania found an element X which reacts with oxygen to form oxide of X which turns red litmus blue. The element X is a. Now, oxide of element X is turning red litmus blue. Means oxide of element X is basic in nature. Oxides of metals are basic in nature, therefore element X is a metal. Option B is the correct option.